Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be 2-staging and 2-year ceramic coating and a mini valet on a mini Cooper S. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and remember to like and subscribe. Cheers. Right, I'm going to show you the car now. I'm not going to video me washing it down because it's absolutely chucking it down. Absolutely. So I'll show you the car now. Right, okay, so car is now inside. I'm gonna give it a blow off and then dry it. I'm probably gonna mask over these just so I don't get any polish on them, obviously, and then it's gonna be a pain to get it off. I didn't show you the interior because obviously it was raining. But yeah, the interior is all right. Just a quick hoover wipe down, freshen it all up. Doesn't look like anyone's even been in the back. But yeah, let's blow it off. And then we will dry it. Then I'll show you the condition of the paintwork and what combo we're going to be using. It is a 2-stage, so yeah, and 2-year coating. Right, okay, so car's all dried off. Now we're going to assess the paint. Oh, look at that, straight away. Straight away, that's swirly. Okay, oh. Okay, so most of the attention's going to be on these black areas. Yeah, look at the state of that. Wow, okay. So I'm going to start at the roof and then work my way around, but you can see straight away. That is one swirly boy. It's going to be a hard cut on a microfiber pad. And then probably go down to a medium pad on the hard cut. And then probably ultra fine finish. Just to really, I mean, it doesn't look bad. These lights are so deceiving. Let me turn them off. There we go. Let me turn them off, see how it looks. Right, yeah. So, I mean, it still looks good, but those lights are really deceiving. So, yeah, that's, I mean, all of these are very tired. Look at that. Not sure how well of a job I'm going to do on these as it's vinyl, but obviously going to give it a go. So yeah, let's crack on. Check these quick. Okay, that's fine. Does that come off for the door? Okay, so I'm going to go around these with masking tape just so I don't catch any of them. Right, okay, so the car is all prepped now. Put some tape around the plastic so they don't get demolished by a compound. If you can hear breathing, it's because I've got a little Louis in my arms. But yeah, it's time to crack on polishing. I'm going to start at the roof and then work my way around. So yeah, let's crack on. Big improvement. Still some finer stuff, but gotta go over it again anyway. But check that out for an improvement. Right, okay, so the roof, the rear, this whole side's done. Now I'm coming onto the front. Look how bad these are. Gonna try my best on these. Yeah, I'm not sure what year the car is. I'm guessing it's like around a 2018, 2020 model. I might be wrong, but yeah, I'm going to try my best on these, but obviously going to go over the whole bonnet. But yeah, these are the main attention, I guess, to get these really popping again, because they've got that satin finish, if you can tell. I mean, they are gloss, but they're just like fogged up, so yeah. Not too much of an improvement. Obviously I've got to go over it all again. I might just go over these by themselves with the 3-inch polisher, see how it looks on a different pad. I'm going to give that a go now. Right, okay, so check the improvement out on that. I still need to go over it as well to refine it all, same as a bonnet, so I'm going to do that now. But look at that, so much better. Right, okay, so polishing is now all done. As you can see, the car is looking super clean. Now I'm going to go around, prep everything, get ready for coatings, and I'm going to have a little tidy up as well, because there's a load of shit around. So yeah, going to have a little tidy up, and then I'll start prep. But I will show you the final product at the end. I've started on the interior, show you guys quickly. Nothing fancy, but yeah. That'll do, that's all you're seeing for now. So yeah, I need to do the glass as well. Right, okay, so coating of choice, Synergy 2 by Infinity Wax. Yeah, I've used this coating for about 1.5 years. It's pretty good stuff. So that's why I go for it, and it lasts quite a while as well, as long as it's maintained properly. And yeah, overall it's good, I quite like it. But from now on, I'm not going to be offering 2 years now, I'm going to be offering 3 years. So 1, 2, 3. And 7-year coatings from the unit. But from March, well, in March, for the whole month, I'm going to be offering an exterior decontamination valet, 2-stage paint correction, and 3-year ceramic coating for £350. So, but I am switching to a 3-year coating I've not used before, so I thought I'd do a little offer, see if many people are interested, but it's restricted to 10 slots across the month. So yeah, so if you know me personally or follow my page or anything and you're interested and you've seen the work, yeah, just pop me a message or comment on this video and I'll get you booked in. So 10 slots, okay? But for now, let's crack on with coating this bad boy. Nice. Right, okay, so the car is all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Paintwork wasn't too bad, cleaned up pretty easy to be fair. Apart from them stripes, there's still like some bug splats on them. Obviously I've gone over them technically 3 times and still couldn't manage to shift them, but obviously as you see, tyres are all done, looks apart to be fair. I'm happy with it. Hopefully the customer's happy with it as well, but yeah, the car's definitely transformed, definitely. Looks so good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.